to myself. So I'm opening it, and these are my office laptops. So I will open and I will see how it is compared to that. We have pre-packed it. It's difficult to open. Earlier I had a knife, but at present I don't have one. So here we go. My new laptop. Amazon has packed this very securely. Wonderful bit of packing for Amazon. So here is the bill. You can see the bill. Okay. And here we go. This is the laptop. And here it is. The Microsoft 365, which comes in the combo pack with this laptop. It is 1 year subscription of the Microsoft Office. There is for premium office apps. There is a cloud storage of 1 TB. Associated with this, there is a security system. A 12-month subscription for one person. There is activation key inside it, and I can use it for all those things like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, cloud storage of 1 TB, and it works on Windows, Android, everything. So it's a nice deal. Now, the main one, is also properly packed by HP. Open it. So here it is. So this is the adapter. Very nice adapter. Here is the body of the adapter. Here is what we are waiting for. This is the HP laptop. Set of instruction. This one. So see how well it is packed by HP. So this is my new HP laptop. Now I have to open this one and check all the setting. And after setup it is done, I will get back to you. And the configuration I am telling, this one is of like 512 GB SSD. That is the major feature of this laptop. And I went for SSD because hard disk makes the system slow. SSD is the faster option and is the future option. 512 GB SSD is a good deal. This is Core i5. This is a Core i5 laptop. Most probably it is 10th generation Core i5. There is a 2 GB Nvidia graphics card and 8 GB RAM, and also Windows 10. These are the specifications which I went for. So this is the laptop. It is clean, it is smooth, it is very light and easy to carry. Unfortunately, they did not provide us with a backpack. Maybe it should have been ordered separately. Have to order soon. So this is my new laptop, and once I do the configuration and the settings, then I will show you the rest. Thank you.